How to share someone's story on Instagram without being tagged. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is you have to open any of the account in the Instagram that you want to add a story, add the story to without being tagged. So what you have to do, you have to open the story, and then what you have to do is you have to go through any of the browser. You have to open any of the browser that you want, and then you have to search for the instadp.com here, and then you have to search for it in the browser. And when you search for the instadp.com, then and then in the search username, you have to click on the search username, and then you can search for the Cristiano and other people that you want. And you can also you have to also fill in the security check. So after filling the security check, uh, and after verifying that you are a human, you come to this page, and here you have to go through the story sections. You have to scroll down, and you have to go to the story sections, and you can see all the stories of the this username. And after that, what you have to do is you can click on the download, and then it will open in this way, and then you can download it. So what you have to do to download it is you have to click on this picture, and then you can also download the image. And then you can also go to the bottom, and then you can also click on the download, and you can also download this video that you want. And then you can also if you want to download this video, you have to click on the three dots, and then you can download it. You can also share this story. And then what you have to do is you have to repost this story on the Instagram. So what you have to do is you have to your story, and then you have to switch through the story, and then you have to go to the gallery, and then you can select this file that you want to add, and then you have to click on the send to your story. So that's it, that how you can share the someone's Instagram story on Instagram without being tagged. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good